Okay guys, today our customer is explaining that she has white dust particles coming out of her supply vents. As you can see on this stool, there's some collecting right underneath the supply. Now, issue is only in the supply side, as well as these supplies up here on her bedroom wall. Little particulates, but as the system runs, it's been getting worse. So we're here trying to figure out where is it coming from. So to look deeper into it, started at the unit. Now I can see that we have some buildup here and here. And then when I look at this coil here, you can see it's inside each of these fins building up here too. So we know that this is our supply side, this is our return side. So air is being sucked in here and being pushed out on that side. Now, when I look on the return side, it stops. We're clean, no white. Okay, it's just coming off that coil. So what that means is that this aluminum coil is oxidizing. When the AC is on, it creates a wet film over the fins, and it creates that oxidation. And when it dries up, it turns into this powdery form, and it's getting blown across our customer's bedroom. So for this, Trane makes a epoxy covered coil. So it's coated in epoxy to help with the oxidation on the aluminum parts of the coil, which in turn should resolve the issue.